Betway Premiership, Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. Prakwenda 87.
Hayi
Malesheni kube khalwa la esigodini.
Ish, Malesheni was very bad.
Yeah.
Because we was come from Pretoria.
Yes.
To support Soweto United FC.
Yes.
We are united. Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. We must together.
Yeah.
And break for that 14 years for Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
We must together always. You
Yes.
know, for not only maybe for 1 game.
Yeah.
You see, we must make sure that we must support. We must. I promise you,
Yeah.
all of the Pirates. You know, all of the Pirates are gonna win for the.
Yes. Yes.
I promise me.
Yeah.
I promise you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see.
What went wrong today to the Buccaneers?
Yes.
Yes.
Slap for first time.
Emiswa guys leba azange ababhale season ithoma.
Even for the can make it. Why
Yeah.
look at this slap?
Eh.
Slap. Why look
Yeah.
at slap, guys?
Bambula isale batho.
Yes.
Yeah.
For that one,
Eh.
ori umisitse
Yeah.
uthuma ori utswile
Yes.
for what but anyway part yo bayidlala
Yeah.
part yo bayidlala to bane ina luck.
Yes.
You know you can score or score or win abia utshela score kono.
Yes.
But anyway, so now we got ori Orlando Pirates ekaba Betway
Yes.
Premiership.
Yes. Sure.
Yeah, sure because
Ake khona uyibuka yini?
Mr.
Uri Pirate
my leadership ne ke ari first week
Yes.
chief e kala ko Durban
Yeah.
mara re ka ba re go kae
Yes.
so lift time Betway Premiership.
Yes.
You like it or not,
Yeah.
we have got to show that Pirates will lift.
Ukhathesi ka Sundowns no.
Re ka ke nini mana wa bona ntwe ya burger always
Yes.
Sundowns play win re lapile man
Yes.
horo tshwana le team ba re keng Bayern
Bayern,
na amen 20 years win.
Yeah.
I want to so what baba Germany ba lapile because we play winner ye Germany always man.
But Sundowns yethi history iberekela go high. Working from home.
We are because horo phaka kwa ho ba bete 3-2.
Yeah.
3-2.
Yes.
Last week.
Yes.
3-2.
Yeah.
Phaka utari kuri wa tiri why
Awubashapile phaka.
bashapile
Yeah.
kuri phaka o ile speckele ne
Yes.
ile speckele ore awa muthu ore
Abambesuka batho.
ambesuka
Yeah.
only flour for 350
Yes.
costing 350 flour
Yeah.
ke ngintwe
Yeah.
ufata to bone
So that's why abashapa.
abashapile 3-2
Yeah.
yeah I know I never that thing
Yes.
so better 3-2
Yes.
so mara for mara let's go waran
Legend ke a leboha.
thank you very much.